Welcome back, everyone, to section 4 of how to set up a range reservation page. In the last video, we showed you how to set up a reservation page where a customer can go to finalize their reservation. In this video, we're going to go over a little bit more advanced features. The first thing we're going to do is actually set member-specific pricing. The first thing that I want to do is actually remove access for the user type. Well, to specify, I want to remove the ability for only members to access this page, because otherwise, what's the point of putting in member-specific pricing? So go ahead and just delete that. I'm going to do that on the security tab as well. When it would be useful to have access to only a specific user type would be maybe if you have a more elite gun range, something that there are different types of members, and maybe only certain types of members can access that range. So for now, this should be fine. Let's go ahead and save both of those if I haven't already. And then the next thing we're going to do is go to our products maintenance. So I already had this product made, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. We'll just take a look at that first one with the code Rifle Lane Reservation Product. To get here, by the way, you need to go to Products, Products, Products. Additionally, you could also type in Shift, Products, Maintenance. And remember that I have this in the search bar. Go ahead and click that. And let's go ahead and look at what details we need set up for this product. So this is going to be a virtual product that is not taxable. It's a non-inventory item, and it is internal use only. Additionally, you could set a product type if you wanted to. For now, I don't think that's necessary. Put a brief description of what the product actually is. And the most important thing, we're going to go over here to pricing. We're going to scroll all the way down here. This is the box you'll walk into. Add a row. Select that this is the sales price. Go ahead and choose the user type that you want to set the pricing for. And user types, members, are going to have to pay $0 to reserve this lane. So this code right here, just for the sake of showing you the background setup, that code is actually input into this right here in the event type, which is also set to hide in calendar, because I don't want my event calendar to be flooded with range reservations. I want to keep that open and available for classes, but that's another video. Additionally, we will need to go back to our page with the script file name, reservefacility.php, and we're going to need to also add some arguments in here eventually, but we'll touch on that in just a moment. For now, go ahead and refresh that page. Oh, it's still telling me that this facility costs $25 per hour or $150 per day. So if I don't want to pay that, then I need to go to find my user and just make sure that my user type is set to member. So we will go back, and that now has a price of $0 for when people come in to pay for that. Additionally, if I were to make a reservation right now, there is a drop down for the purpose, and I don't want that to be a drop down. I want it to just be set. So what I need to do is go back, and what I was telling you before, we need to add a script argument. So the argument that we are going to make is facility underscore type equals, we are going to input the code for the facility type. So remember, that was rifle underscore lane. So rifle underscore lane, and symbol is going to let me make another argument. The next argument is that we are going to set an event type. So event underscore type equals, and what's the code for the event type? Rifle Lane Reservation. So we can just go ahead and copy that, make our lives a little easier. Go ahead and Control V to paste. And I'm also going to do one more thing. I'm going to add one more argument to set maximum people equal to 1. That will make it so that you actually can't input a value higher than 1 or greater than 1. So we'll go ahead and click Save. And what that's going to do is hide that purpose box. Okay, so the purpose is there, but now there's still a brief description of use, and I don't want that to be showing either. I don't want people to be able to input their own information. They can keep their comments, that's fine. Let's go ahead and do a little bit more developer-friendly task, but we're gonna see which of these is actually controlling that information. So you can see the things as I press the down arrow being selected and highlighted. Aha. Brief description of use. So the ID here is going to be #_description_row. So what I need to do is actually add some CSS to remove this. What I'm going to do is go back to the page here. I'm going to add some CSS into this table right here, and I'm just going to put #_description_row. And I'm going to set that to display : none, semicolon, and that should be done. Go ahead and click save, refresh, and that is now hidden as well. Now, if you would like to align the content as well, this can also be done from CSS, but I think that might start going beyond the scope of this video, and it's a little bit more complicated. So for now, the last thing that I want to do is actually add just a little bit more customization to this page right here. In this case, I actually want to exclude a second facility type. So to do that, I'm going to go back to the page that has retail store /events happening now.php, and I'm going to go to the text tab. And rather than adding another row that says exclude facility type code, there's actually an S on the end, which indicates that this content will accept multiple facility type codes. Let's go ahead and find the facility type code for the simulation house, SimHS. That's the one I want. SimHS. We'll go ahead and click save. That just needs to be separated by a comma and a space. Go ahead and refresh. And now that is hidden as well. This was video 4 on how to add some further customization to both this page and this page here. In the following video series, we will probably go a little bit more into detail, things maybe how to center this content. But for now, this is a pretty good start on how to set up your public-facing range reservation page.